April 11th, 2021. Whoops, 20 years off there. Alright, so we just went down and checked underneath. It's still leaking, although the water's been shut off for a day or two. So this repair is trapping water. So we're going to want to remove that, because the water is going underneath this repair, and there's got to be a crack or something underneath there. Before we just go ahead and patch, I would say that's a risky repair. Reason being is this concrete that was just put in recently is already cracking, and if I go and I fix this area here, well, it's still gonna find its way through the concrete. I don't know. I'm not trying to upsell you here, but you might be throwing away your money just trying to patch it. No matter what, well, I guess we don't want to pressure wash it, because once I want to take this repair out, I want to take that repair out, and if you guys want it to not leak, I'd say go with the system. I'll get you a quote on it probably Monday or Tuesday, what it'll cost to do from here. Well, see, you even got, a patch here that somebody did that should be removed. I don't know if it's leaking underneath there or not, but I say we take a couple days and think about this. Anyway, thank you.